Alright y'all, RVH with you. So I sit here and bring out an unboxing video today. Got a set of Infinity Kappa 20MX. These are 2-inch soft dome mid-range. These are to fill in upper mid-range gaps between probably about 400 to 500 hertz up to I think like 5 or 6,000. So let's see what we get in the box. Pretty box. And we get, looks like an instruction booklet of some kind. And specifications. So it's we don't need instructions. We got our styrofoam here. And over here to the side, I've already cheated a little bit. I had to take a sneak peek. You do get a bandpass passive crossover network. Now these are designed to exclusively work with the Infinity Kappa 6.5 inch or 6x9 two-way component sets to turn them into a three-way component set, but we're actually going to use them in a universal way. Hopefully we're going to get installing these pretty soon, and we'll have a video covering more on how to do that. Having to do this one-handed because somehow I lost my darn tripod for my phone. So we'll get that out the plastic. And that grill is absolutely beautiful. And it just kind of, the grill itself just pretty much, it's like a pretty strong magnetic stick. And then it kind of spins and twists and locks on. But it's primarily like a magnetic fit, if you can hear that. And let's pop the top on it. And we can see that this is a soft dome mid-range, so that's why it kind of looks like a big 2-inch tweeter. And here's the back side of it, and it is pretty beefy. And goes our positive terminal and our negative terminal. Yeah, really nice looking speaker there. I like it. Should do what I need it to do, I hope. And let's see what else we got in the box. Of course, we have another mid, another crossover, and there's some other goodies in the box in the bottom. So I'll set those over there. Let's go ahead and give that a shake. Yeah. All protected in cardboard and styrofoam. Up. And they give us some screws. And this is going to be real important. I'll show you why. That we hang on to the screws. They were actually kind enough to include some foam to use as a fast ring kind of deal. And then we have these really important small screws. Those small screws are really important because they include metal adapters. These actually are metal adapters. And see if I can get one of these out of the crack bag here one-handed. Probably not going to be able to. Come on. I can do this, right? Y'all hang on. Oh, come on. You know, anybody else notice how when you go to try to zip a Ziploc bag, it doesn't want to zip? But yet you get one like this, or you're trying to do an unboxing or something, and then all of a sudden you can't get it, undone. Anyway, so here's the adapter, and I'm gonna need those. So where did our mid go? So here is our mid. It is going to drop into the adapter. But we've got to give it a, it's going to fit in there specifically with the notches. Alright y'all, kept my light on, and after a minute of finagling, got the adapter on here. Like I said, it's got the notches that lines up with, as you can see there. And then, yeah, so it's very important little screw holes, so that way you can line up with the screw holes that my fingers covering, my thumb is covering up there. But yeah, there we go. Got her lined up, so we have, nope, thought we had her lined up. Anyway, y'all get the idea. Like I said, we'll cover this more when we get the putting them in. I think I just had it there. So yeah, you got your 4 little teeny tiny screws that you're gonna have to screw these into the adapter. Yeah, really nice beefy mid-range. I think you're supposed to handle like 60 watts RMS, 120 watts max, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the unboxing part. We can take a glance over at these specifications. I'm not sure. These are probably just some Kappa or Infinity badges, I would assume. So, yeah. So, let's see here. Nope. Yeah, that's about it. Where was the power handling on these things? Yep, 65 watts RMS and supposedly 195 watts peak, as we can see there. And yeah, that's gonna do it for this video. So yeah, guys, we will catch y'all in the next one. We get these bad boys put in.